Your Honda Civic uses a smart system to track oil health, not just mileage. After an oil change, you must reset the oil life indicator to 100% to clear the maintenance due alert and ensure accurate monitoring. This prevents unnecessary service visits and keeps your engine running smoothly. The reset process tells the car that fresh oil is in the system. Not resetting after an oil change or misusing the reset feature can lead to incorrect alerts and potential warranty issues. This is because the car logs each reset event. The reset is done through your car's interface, either the touchscreen or the steering wheel buttons. Make sure the ignition is in the on position, but the engine isn't running. To reset, navigate to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Maintenance, or Oil Life using your touchscreen or steering wheel controls. Select Reset and confirm. You might need to hold a button for a few seconds. Once done, the indicator should display 100%, and the maintenance due message will disappear. Some owners report issues if the engine hasn't warmed up post-oil change. If you're having trouble, try starting the engine and letting it run for a bit before attempting the reset again. Also, hybrid models might require an additional hybrid system reset. If the reset fails repeatedly, consult your Honda dealer, as a software glitch might be the cause. Verify the reset was successful. Mechanics recommend using a scan tool to confirm the ECU acceptance.